Do your duty according to what is needed in this physical world. Here we have this coronavirus, and this is going to create some problems, and people have a painful experience, some have emotional painful experience, some have got actual physical experiences which are not too pleasant. You have to put up with these things because this life, this world is made up of ups and downs. Pain and pleasure go together. One of the early instructions I got from a master to stay as a good disciple of him was, and I quote in Punjabi or Hindi, Dukh Sukh Dono Sam Kar Jano or Man Apmana. You must take Dukh and Sukh, pain and pleasure, equally. And you must take somebody praising you or insulting you equally. That's the necessary requirement if you want to be a disciple of a perfect living master. That is how we live in this world. The world is like a show, a drama. Both things will happen and you accept both equally. That is why it is my appeal to you that when you are feeling low, well, accept it, that that's a period of feeling low. When you feel high, accept it as feeling high. Life is made up of that. And therefore follow the instructions which are being given by the state governments, given by different countries, that to stay indoors, that's a time to stay indoors and meditate more. These things will also pass. There is no event, either high or low, which has lasted forever. Even this coronavirus problem that's going on will pass. And therefore it's a matter of having some patience. Use it usefully in meditating, taking care of yourself and taking care of things that you could not take care of. Many people say, oh, we had so many books in the house, we never got time to read. Read them now. Oh, we could not sort out our house, things were all lying in a clutter. Organize them now. It's a good time to take care of so many things which you could not do earlier. There's always a bright side of everything that happens in life. Take advantage of it. I would urge you to follow the instructions being given to overcome this problem that we are facing now. And therefore, do not show bravado that because we have a master, therefore we should not follow it. We are supposed to be living in a world where we live according to the rules of the world. Therefore, we should follow the instructions that are given. They are good instructions. As I have understood it, this coronavirus is not the first coronavirus. They have been before. But this is a novel coronavirus. The novelty of this coronavirus is that it is not carried by air, it's carried by droplets and sticks on a surface and can last a long time. That is why use sanitizers, use all kinds of things that are available. Any sanitizer with 60% or more of alcohol destroys it. Even they say that heat and humidity can take care of it. I read a report from the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, MIT. They say that the temperature and humidity will affect this. There are many other things that are happening around us which will take care of this. Just have patience and don't worry too much about it. This is an opportunity given to us to meditate more. When I remember several ups and downs that have happened in my life, the last 93 years and plus, I see how well balanced they were. That you could go high and low in worldly circumstances. One can be rich and poor, one can be sick and healthy. All those things I experienced. And it's nice to look back and realize that life is made up like that. It is not all goody-goody stuff, nor all terrible stuff. If it was all good, and we were all in good karma, and had done all good things in the past, we wouldn't be here. We would be in heaven. We would be sitting in an astral plane, in a Vaikunt, in a Bahisht. We had great places to go to if all our karma was so great. If all our karma was bad, and we are evil people, we wouldn't be here either. We would be in hell. Again in a very terrible place located in the sub-astral area which is called hell. So therefore, we are here because our karma was a combination of good and bad. And we still have a karma that is good and bad. And therefore, physical life is a mixture of both.